Hi, I'm Jenny. Death Valley is my stomping grounds, and Pahrump is my base camp to adventure. Here's a funky introduction of how nice I am. Tell your mother, tell your father, send a telegram. I'm a flower deep underneath the desert heat, and giving is my strength. Come along with me for more adventures. Subscribe. Welcome to the new Old West, the real Pahrump. Ooh, who got a bag? Whoa! It tipped over. Look. CJ. Hey, camera shy. Are you super excited about your bag? I didn't realize you're actually on the bag. Hello, CJ. Camera shy CJ. I can see you. I can still see you. You're like, Mom, why is the bag of food in the bed? I was just trying to get a picture of you next to the bag. You want down? Okay, hold on. See, the rain just woke me up. Ugh, coming down so hard that you can't see my walkway. That's when you know it's raining hard and fast, is when you can't see my walkway. You hear that? It's thunder. There's one. There's the other ones. They come cooing under my window and do that if I don't feed them early enough. I can't believe I actually finally caught it. Oh, now everybody's gonna know what I deal with. I mean, I love you too, but okay, this guy looks like a seagull. Quit stalking the feeder. Go, no. What are you doing? Hi, guys. They're looking for scraps from that. Oh, scared you. I'm coming out. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sunshine. We're at Wally World. I got some funds from Willie with very specific instructions, so come with me. Hopefully we have enough battery to film. Seriously, Jenny, I don't know how you manage to succeed at getting your job done sometimes. But let's go, because we got a list. The list is kind of small, but specifically I need to get birdseed and wipes, and then I'm adding a notebook for my workshops. Birdseed is back over here. Walmart has the best prices on birdseed, but where's the one that I want? All right, I get this one because it's $10 a pop. Thank God. Getting two today because those birds are eating me out of house and home almost. I'm wondering if I shouldn't mix it with sunflower seeds for more oomph. If somebody would please leave a comment in the message below. I'm afraid peanuts are going to bring the ravens or crows more than they already come. But I'm wondering if putting sunflower seeds in the mix would help feed the pigeons better so they'd stay off my feeders. I need to grab a bag of potting soil because I got new plants, and the snake plant that I gave to my brother needs to be repotted. So that's going to be coming home with me. I need a stack of those for my plants that are now larger seedlings. And I figured to get one fresh bag of garden soil for the in-between so I don't have to yank out of my garden. Okay, now off to the wipes. Now I just need a little memo book for my backpack, a new one, and something like this will work for my thing I need. Okay, we're gonna get CJ some catnip. A viewer suggested maybe she would like that. I'm also getting her a new dry food bowl for $1 because she could really use that. And lastly, some Natural Care Huggies. I was encouraged to buy these anyways, but I do use these on a regular basis in the hauler and when I camp. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a 3-pack. Thank you, Willie. Okay, I got bell pepper for dinner, some apples for us, and myself a tiny cinnamon cake because I'm craving some sugar. And why am I showing you all of this? That's because I got a letter that specifically said, could you please go buy these things? And I like to have complete transparency. Take your suggestions and fulfill those requests. 55.32. All that stuff. All right, good job. Ding, ding, ding. Let me see if I can capture them without freaking them out. Nope, there they go. See, they saw me. Okay, there they are. They just saw me. They kind of... That's about half of them. They used to be double that, but I did stop on feeding for a minute, thinking they would leave. That's not the case. Okay, there's the snake plant that is getting transplanted into this. I moved the snake plant into my brother's house last year when I was traveling for a few weeks, and it loves it in there, but you can see it's growing out of its root base. Let's go. Okay, he has successfully been transplanted. Gonna leave him in the sun. Next up, this thing, which has been doing well in this container, but at the same time it has no drainage. So we're gonna go into here. This one, and it's a little bigger. On second thought, I am going to not transplant this. This seems to be really happy. And I can get behind just making sure I get the dirt right, because I think I need to use that for something else. I will report back because everything is content. Everything is content. Woohoo! That's all my camping stuff. I also got this little planter, which I thought was so cute. I'm going to put a cactus on top of it. Suddenly, I decided to rip up all the weeds that were growing into my garden. Even though there's weed cloth under there, the rainstorms have been so bad that I'm starting to pop up there. Oh, I love my little brain. Oh, there's CJ. Oh, and there's my bell. Have we talked about my bell yet? I got this bell for my birthday. It is a wind chime or a bell. I'll call it both things. What? No, I don't want to come out and watch the birds. Here, let's see if I can make it. People like your purrs. Here we go. You want to purr for everybody? Purr machine? Oh yeah, just purr up on my phone. Yep, let's just get that allergic too. I love you. There's 3 or 4. The one with the red scarf, there's multiple ones that come. And then there they are. And my finches though, I love my finches. Life was a little quieter when it was just finches and quails. but you're here now. And I noticed the finches have been getting a little picky, trying to figure out what they like. Because you see, they keep kicking certain ones off. They're looking for something. What are you doing? Maybe you want to go in? Have you had enough of the outside for the day? Okay. $26. So thank you. We were just walking back from the post office. Blur out that. And look at this cherry Bel Air that we just found. Just kicking it. I know, it's nice, huh? Yeah. Super nice paint job.
I like it. The back lights have Chevy things on them.
Yeah, it looks like it's got all the
It looks like a Hawk
stock.
airplane.
He is the life of parties he has never attended. If he were to punch you in the face, you would have to fight off the strong urge to thank him.